Collectively, South Australia is stepping it up. It's so good to see. We've seen some amazing surfing today, and we've got our judging system aligned with all the other states, so we're really pushing the boundaries and ready to take some more Australian titles. I love hanging out with all the Groms and everyone's so excited, so it was really fun.
Oh, it's amazing that Subway have backed it all the way, and Surfing SA, like just everyone's just been great in the whole event. It's just really cool.
Oh, it's just so good that Subway comes along and helps out at these sorts of events and feeds the kids some really good food.
I heard that he won, and like with a dislocated knee, like not many people can ever say that, so hats off to him, he deserves it. Honestly, it means a lot. Like for an event like this, I wasn't expecting this sort of result. I just kind of went out and tried my hardest and paid off.